Welcome to Linux Help, how to use for loop in Bash script on Oracle Linux 9.4. The for loop is a powerful tool in Bash scripting that allows you to repeat a command or sequence of commands for each item in an array or a list of values. You can iterate over a list of values and execute a command for each item. The loop works by iterating over the list of values, setting the variable to each value, and executing the command. For example, you can use a for loop to list all files in a directory, by iterating over the files in the directory and printing their names. You can also use it to repeat a command for each item in a list, such as processing files in a directory. Create the file. This is the simple for loop script to print the 6 numbers. Change the permission of the file. Run the script. It's working fine. Now create another one file. Which means 5 times the work will be done. Change the permission of the file. Run the script. It's working fine. In third type, create the file, enter 1 to 5 and save. Line by line. Now create the new file. Which means it will take the input 1 2 3 4 5 because 5 lines are there. Make directory command is used. Change the permission of the file. Check what other files are in present. Run the script. Five files created. These are some for loop scripts in Bash script on Oracle Linux. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.